What's good, guys? We're back on another video here today. In today's video, we're just finishing up the things that we were doing from yesterday, which is fixing up the shopping cart where I wanted it to look like how Adidas is. So what we're going to do is that, you know, there is something that I would like to try. Oh, shoots. Yeah, there is something that I actually would like to try though, if I'm being very honest. Because for some reason, like ChatGPT is extremely off for some reason. And I don't know why it's doing that. It's extremely annoying that it struggles to code. So there's something that someone gave me that I can try. Like once I get the code produced on ChatGPT, I can use that instead to further the code from there. So I may try this for the stream. So we'll see how that would go. And before we begin, make sure you like the video, share, subscribe. And as you all can see, I'm playing the work every single day. I'm tired as hell. I actually have a very bad headache, but hey, the grind continues on. We keep pushing forward, man. So yeah, so let's like just move into it one time. So uh, like for some it's like ChatGPT doesn't understand that like it has to create a a button to go to the different screens, and that's what it's like struggling to get that, to understand that. So what we're gonna do, right, is let me pull it up. Right, so I think I don't want to say I may have to start back over, but never mind. It's still good so far. Yeah. Um. So yeah, what I was thinking is that it may, because it's if I were to go back to the project, so let's start the backup, right? So let's go to where's this? Where's this? Where's this? Okay, here it is. Open up. Let's go to npm. Oh wait, let me make sure. Ah, shoot, hold on. Some things open here real quick. Okay, this should make it a bit smoother. npm run dev, right? All right, while that's running, let's go to client folder. Then open up this. Let's go to npm start, right? It's spell start wrong. npm start, right? Now gonna Rumble notification. Right, man. Rumble send notifications late as hell, man. I say, see, okay, so I do have the option to click, right? But it say no products found, right? So clearly there is a mismatch in the code somewhere, right? Where, so if I just let's just go back to it, right? And let's go back to it, and let's use inspect, right? The console, then go to I believe it's this, right? I'm guessing it's maybe, wait, let me take back off this. So it doesn't, yes, it's only for the image part. So if I go back up to the top here, so what is this here? It's saying product card image, right? So I'm not seeing it. That's the thing about it. I'm not seeing it though. Okay. Yeah, I have some messages going on this side. My bad. Yeah, I'm not seeing it though, which doesn't make sense. So what? So okay. So what I'm going to tell ChatGPT to kind of get it to better understand, right? So let's go back to it now. That's it. So I'll tell it, okay, let's fix the home dot, okay, let's fix the home dot JXX files first, then we will do the shop.jxx, right? So on the home.jxx, when I click on the product, damn it, and I don't know if you all heard that, but it just happened, bro. Phone is just going off right now, man. It's crazy insane. Anyhow, sorry about that. See, this is why I should have my phone on silent too. but no, so sorry. So on the home.jxx, when I click on the product, right, I get navigated to to another page, right? But when I go on that page, it shows that no products have been found. So how can I be able to fix this problem so that when I click on a product on the home.jxx, I can be able to see the product and the rest of the details. Also, this is the error in the console when I go to the page that says no products found. So what I'm going to do is refresh, right? Let me go back to the console. Go to click on this and let's hit the drop down menu. Okay, this is way too much. Copy this. And tell it, please understand what I am saying before you respond. Please use critical thinking. Please. Also, here is my home.jxx file. If you are going to update it, please leave the code as it is. Just update the code with the relevant functions and codes and ensure that it all works. The console, then the home.jxx. Let's go back to it now. Yeah, and hopefully it really understands from there. If not, I may have to use the other option that I would have mentioned before, where there's this other AI that I can use that helps with coding as well. So let's see what they are going to spit out for us here today, man. But hopefully it understands, man, because bro, this is very annoying having to keep going back and forth with this, because it's logic is not understanding what I'm trying to say. But so what happening on home, click on and navigate. Your product purchase your product by calling. Then that is file server in your for product 1 to 3 button mongoose. Three product objects, like so when product details call, your backend can't find a product and shows an error. In short, placeholder IDs don't exist in mongoose, so product detail fails. Also, we need to make sure when using placeholder data, your local images can still render without crashing. When using real products from details fetched correctly, we'll update home images just slightly, so if products come from API, use real it format product, like don't try to fetch the from API and sell it. They should detect the place render locally. That means we need notion is a new line. Just pass the ID as the product, pick up one and local. No sign image remove, just add a flag for placeholder. Next step, you need to update to that if it's placeholder local for locally no API call as a patch from API. Before I touch on it, do you want me to make placeholder products fully functional and probably with local images, reviews, description colors, or should I make them view only until real products are loaded from Mongoose? Let's see. Well, this is what is confused me now, right? So now if I go back to my Mongoose, right? So if I open up my Mongoose, so what I should ask it is, do you know what is the file path of all of my images based on the codes I would have sent you earlier? May I answer that question? So it's saying that it understands it. Okay. Okay. So now that you have all the file paths for the images, can you now give me the code for okay, so now that you have all the file paths for the images, can you give me the codes, I should say, for all these images so that I can store them in my database? Now let me get that. Jason, I'm perfect now that I have now perfect now that I know where all the images live in your project. We can, well, it's in client, asset images products. We can build Mongo documents for your products that reference those image path. Important Mongoose cannot directly store local files path from your real project. Like instead, you need either server image. We either serve images from your front end built, but then in public so that the real URL upload them to a CDN storage cloud that you don't even back and upload for. Since you want to stay inside your project, the easiest option is move/copy images to client public image folder, then reference them in the months. Like this way will be accessible in the browser. Now to install or how to insert. If you're in Mongoose shell, or well, now we're not using. So what I tell it, okay, because I have 5 products, I would need 5 place folder products. 5 placeholder product codes for my home. I guess for my database. I guess, yeah. The solar products codes. All right, so what I'll do is that I do have my mongoose open up. So what I'll do is that I would build this mongoose here on the side, right? So I'll just copy and do whatever stuff on the side here, as we can set it for sensitive data. So what I'll do is that I'll just update the mongoose. I'll just upgrade this mongoose offline or on a different screen while I have them here. So yeah, see. Let me delete all these things here. There's a message I may have to check just now. Alright, so let's insert this one. And let's insert this one here as well. And let's insert this one here as well. Then let's insert this one here as well. And let's insert this one here as well. Alright, so now that that is inserted, we now need to also prepare a insert menu script so you can run it once and insert all products directly from your backend instead of manually copy and paste. I mean, sure, it could have done that a long time, bro. Um, Could I maybe do that, man? Or is it on the, or is it, does it understand? Um, I'm still getting that same error. I mean, is there a way that I can maybe copy document? Let's copy this. Let's see something. No, that's not it. I don't think you see that there. I don't think it's adding in it. That's the thing. Hold on. I think that's why I'm probably getting the errors, you know. Yeah, I think that's why. No, let me just put yes, please. I think that's why it's not working, man. Because for some reason, it doesn't want to add it for some reason. But let me just delete all these things here, and I'll start it back over. Because I'm like, because that's I'd rather like no, I'm not tripping, man, because like I'm adding it and it's not working for some reason. So let's I knew I wasn't tripping. So how to run is save this file, update them on connection with your real database name in your terminal from then you should see production service successfully. They're saying this is do this now. New file. Then let's copy this thing. Copy all this code here. Where is it? I got the visual. Right, then we have that there now. And it's saying to how to run. Save this file as inside your backend folder, update the mongoose. Also saying to put it with my real connection. Let's go back to the code. No database name. And then it's saying to update it with your real database terminal from backend folder on node scene and then you should see okay. So it's saying to put my real, well, don't think this really is anything. Um, and if I put that, then let me go back to this and then copy this. I'm guessing it's saying to open up a terminal to open up this They said product inserted successfully. But I'm not seeing it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. There wasn't any updates. I don't know if I maybe do this, then do this, and then do this, and then if I go back to server and open it back up, hit this. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, man. Let me send this back over. I mean, don't know why that's giving problems, but it's it's successfully saved, but okay, well, I did everything. Okay, well, I did everything you said to do, and I do not see the products in my database, especially in the test products database. Now let me just give it a screen. You know what? It may be okay. Is that remember that I am using MongoDB at last. Also, the name of my project is me if and I believe that the name of my database is probably test dot products, I guess, dot products. And you please do over the file with this information in mind. Let's see if it understands it, man. Thank you for clarifying that you're using the cloud and not a local module. Engineers a connection string and makes it easier to push it directly into your database. Let's redo the seeding script. Your so say copy the amount Atlas connection string to your Atlas. It looks like replace user and password. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I know what I have to do. So let me I know what I have to do for this. So what I'll do is just give you all this here. And let me move these two files here across here for a bit. 1 second. Let's hold on to this for a bit here. While I get these files, because these files here are sensitive. So bro, why are you stop moving so dumb, bro? Right. So let me just give it yeah, okay, here is my .env file with my linkage to the database. And what does it ask for? Can you now please update the code now that you have this linkage? I'll just say that now you have this file .env. See, that maybe may help a bit. Right, so let's go back to this file here. Then let's remove this and add this. Right, and then now let's run the server and let's go to npm run dev. Sorry, what was the code again? Shoot, let me open it. What was the code? Right, mp node node.js seed. So let me try to find back this and copy this. So it's saying now that it did update it. Press this real quick. Ah, there we go. Yeah, it's updated. That's cool. So what we're gonna do now is open it back up. Is npm run dev. It should work. It is connected. It is working. Then let's go to npm start. Right. Huh? Why the hell? MPM start. Okay, I just clicked the wrong. Okay, never mind. So I clicked something was off. Alright, let's go back to this. Hold on, let me close on some of these files to bring this back here. And let's bring this. Okay, let me drag this across here, then drag this here, drag this over here, right? And then let's refresh again. Nope, it still doesn't show the products. The shopping cart failed. Hold on. Now let's open it back up again. Go to npm start. Damn it, ChatGPT. Damn it, bro. Okay, so I see the products now in my database, but I am still getting these. I should say that, but I am still seeing on. So I'm still seeing when I click on one of the products in one of products, the home.jxx, no products found. Also, this is the errors in my console. And here is my latest foods. So let me send it the home.jxx. I'm guessing it's not really the home.jxx fault though. Yeah, I'm guessing it's not that. I'm guessing it's maybe product the product card or the product details, I guess. The product card. And product details. If you are going, we are going to make any changes to the code, please leave the existing logic and ensure that all the codes are functional. Please understand my issue before responding. All right, let's see. Now, oh, I mean, I won't lie, this is extremely hard, but give me 1 second, man. Bro, the place is stupidly hot, man. Damn it, bro. So it's saying that, good, thanks. I understand exactly what's happening now. Your home page was rendering format placeholders like IDs like 1 to 3. When you click one of those app requests, or one which is not even mongrel, the server error, and you see the 500 error, fix make the home page use real API products with real where possible and only show non-clickable placeholder while the API is unavailable. Below, I give you two updated files you should replace in your client code. These keep your existing logic and are added once you by fetch in home and make product card only link to product details when the product really came from the API. That will stop the invalid error making click a product load the real product details. Alright, let's see, man. Let's start it back over. Let's go to replaces home.jx at 59 lines of code. Now 111 lines of code now. I will change and then the say now in product card. Product card now, let's go to this. I had 47 lines of code. Now I have 53 lines of code now. They say replace the two files above and restart and then move your product image into field if you want, and also provide an updated sharpness so if users use the same robot logic fetch from API and avoid linking pixels, I can send that next. Okay, let's see if it's working now. npm run dev and then npm start. Let's see if this thing is working, man. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We are getting somewhere. That is nice. We are getting somewhere. Hold on, guys. Like, okay. Now I just had to check something real quick. So it's working now, which is nice. Okay. Sorry, give me 1 second here. Forgot to do this. Okay, so it's getting there, man. It is most definitely getting there. It's getting there. Let me just hit a refresh real quick. Oh, well, it loads and then it loads and then I don't get why it does that. It loads Yeah, and then it says yeah, so it's oh, that means product details need a styling as well. You need to add a styling to product details too. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so we got basically yes we got it, right? We got it. So that is where we got it. But now we're getting these errors now. So what I'm going to have to tell it to do now is okay. So I am. You see, sometimes, bro. I tell you, man. Sometimes you have to, bro. Oh my, that was such a big relief, man. That was, bro. Man, I can end the video right now with that, man. That was such a big a big issue solved there. So damn it, man, ChatGPT, man. Damn it, sometimes, man. So that's good. So what I'm going to do is tell it that okay. So I am now getting. Well, you see now. Okay, well, okay. Let's start over. So I'll be like, okay, with the recent code you provided. But I swear, it's like, bro, it's like, bro, you had to write a report to them, bro. It's like, you know, I'll be like, bro, if you, man, so if you got a report, right, then we'll charge you easy way for you, man. But nah, sorry. So you say that, okay, with the recent, so I'll be like, okay, with the recent code you provided, um, once, it's like, you gotta give it a story, man, so it understands. So, um, I am able to click on the image and it carries me to the product, the product details page, right? Is it yeah, product details page, right? But for some reason the images do not load on the home.jxx, right? Or right, I will send you the error in my console to help you understand the error. Also, my product details file needs a product details css file um, file as file as well to style the page. So error like, so can you provide that file and keep the existing style that I have in my project? All right, let's get this done, man. Let's get this done. Ah, shoot, sir, I have to change it. Ah, damn it, bro. So if I had to change it, that means I'll have to change it for everything then. Then that means I'll have to rewrite every single thing then. Damn it. Oh, that's well, I mean, that shouldn't really be a headache because I already have ChatGPT, so I mean, that shouldn't take, a long while to really do something like that. Let me copy this, add this styling to it, and let me copy this real quick, the product details, and go straight to the top, right? And let me just do this. Oh, what do you mean it's not found though? Um, oh wait, I now realize that I don't have a styling for shop. That's why it looks off as well too. Interesting. Hold on, let me go back to my home. It did this thing just like remove? What the hell? Let me copy this real quick. Would it not be? Hold on, let me. Oh my gosh, that's why. Hold on. Yeah, that's why. That's why it didn't work. Oh, I'm guessing it's the wrong it's still in style, so I'm guessing it's not that one then. But no, what it would have been because yeah, the color changed. So if I just do this real quick, yeah. So yeah, it is that. Ah, shoot. So after, gosh damn it, man. Why are you so dumb sometimes? Gosh damn it, bro. Um, okay, chat GPT, you have to redo both files. You did not add any styling to the page because the classes you are calling are not connected to the codes in product details .jxx. So A is the product detail .jxx file. Please update it with the correct classes and also do over the product details CSS file with the correct class names as the ones in product details .jxx. Hey man, I hate all like damn it man, it really bro. I won't lie, I won't put it like this man. To anyone out there, bro, this is a very, if you're smart enough, bro, you'll know that this is a big problem, man. Imagine that you happen to be so detailed with an AI like that you can't just get it, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, bro. That's like the issue with it, bro. It just has to get it, man, and it doesn't for some reason. So that really like sucks about it that it doesn't man it struggles to kind of pick up on certain things, man. So, bro, why this shorty, man? What are you tweaking, bro? All right, let's go. Let's go to. So I had 192 lines of code. How much lines of code I have now? I have 185 lines of code. So hopefully it didn't remove any logic. Let's go to the data.css. Let's go to that. Remove these. Let's ensure that it's connected properly. It should be. Okay, I'm guessing that. Well, the image supposed to appear here, so okay, so now that I add that styling to it, right? So now that that's good. So what was it telling me to fix now? Okay, so it's saying to move everything. Yes, you see, I know that that would have had to happen. No source in the URL anymore. So it's saying, all right, so let's do this final fix here and I'll close it down. And we'll attack this tomorrow. Or we'll come back to this tomorrow. So close this file here. Close this file here as well too. And why it's doing that? So what we're gonna do is, I probably should fix some of these files here too, just because how long there is, but I mean we're kind of still fixing up some more of it, so maybe come back to that. So it's saying to go from public and then images and then products. So in public image products. So it's saying to move this into here, right? So now that I move that now, update your database images image field on your home.js product card so that images part is relevant to public. And it's saying to go back to my product details. Well, I can't. I'll do this one by one. Let's right, and then move this file here as well. Of one product 2 and then product 3. And what I have to do now is go back to my database where, hold on, let's refresh this real quick. Just edit this now. Oh shoot, I may have to, okay, hold on, I may have made a mistake with the codes real quick. There, put this there, put this there, put this there, put this there, then put this there. Right, because only for this is where I have to put that type of code. Let's go back to this, then go back to our database. Okay, why is it giving problems? Hold on. Let's copy this here. Control C this, right? And then remove this. All right, that's what I want. The updates. Then go with this, edit this one. Well, is it not? Man, what am I doing, bro? I need to do all that then. Because I can just do this images, products, product 2, yeah, I can do that. But let's not make life hard, bro. 2, and then let's edit this one now. Let's update this one too. All right, update that. We have to update. Stick with one of them. update this. Update this one too. Right, update that one as well. Then the last one. Wait, I think images. Oh shoot, yeah, this one. Messed up this one as well. Put the slash there. Oh shoot, wrong one. Put the slash there, then update that. Right. So let's go back to the code now. Let's run it back now. Let's go to open this npm run dev. Then let's go to client npm start. And let's see if it works now. Oh shoot, keep popping up in the wrong screen, man. The same module not found. Let me add this. Is it, bro? Why is this thing being so dumb, bro? Hold on. No, stop showing all, like, bro. Why Windows? Like, bro, come on, guys. Like, get your screen together, guys. Come on. So why am I getting this error? Why did they tell me? Why did they give me that one? And I literally didn't do nothing with the code though. What the hell? Let's open up this thing here. Okay, so it's telling me that there's error running it. Okay, so I'll be like, okay, so I am getting these errors. And you, yeah, I'll do this, and if I don't get this to solve here, I'll close it off here. Okay, so I'm getting these errors. Can you help me fix it, please? So what I'm going to do is so what are the errors? So it's for the home page, right? So let's control this. So I should say that so page error this, then let's go to inspect, then let's go to this, then console error, and then let's go to terminal error, right? And then let me give it also, if I go back to my database, let's go with it. Mongo DB as product, product, I guess, foods, I guess. Right, and then the home axx. I'll be like I provided all the data you will need to solve this problem. Please read and understand the problem before responding. Right. To understand the error, your homeowner currently has these lines. These the leading in the desert React to look outside of source and the route file. React doesn't allow imports from outside source, hence the error. So the root cause is that the import part points outside source. You have two options. Option one, going into source or into your source folder, for example. On the two of the imports options, keep images in public folder and move all images to public. For example, don't import them, use them as relative URLs. That this matches your moment is already storing, so you don't even need to change products data in your thing. Since your data already stores, the simplest fix is to move up an image into images and remove the import CMAR from the fallback. Keep the format primary URL as plain. Now React will save these static images. Yes, please send me the updated home.jxx file. Please ensure that my logic is intact. Do not remove any codes that are functional and contribute to the I can't spell, man. Contributes to the code. Here is the file and show all my logic. Let's update the code, the relevant changes or code is yeah. All right. Let's see what they give us. I mean, it's getting late, man. But yeah, I may head in my bed early, man, because bro, I am tired as hell, bro. All right, let's copy this. Ah, it worked. It refreshed. Nice. Okay. Ah, there we go, man. Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. That is it, man. Well done. That is it. GG's. Yeah, this looks nice, man. This looks nice. Yeah, this looks nice. Beautiful. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. I will. I guess I will call it there a day. We'll come back to this tomorrow, fix up some more. And yeah, make sure you like the video on the way out. Share, subscribe this video. And yeah, man, let me know what your thoughts are on this project so far. And yeah, I'll catch you back in another video, guys. Peace out.